Sewer lateral slope must provide consistent gravity flow, so waste moves without trapping solids or causing backups. The thumb rule for residential sewer lateral slope is that 3-inch and 4-inch pipes should be run at a slope close to 1/4 inch per foot, which is roughly 2%, because that range keeps velocity high enough to carry solids without flushing water too fast and leaving scouring problems. For larger diameter, mains a slope as low as 1/8 inch per foot may be acceptable because the increased cross-sectional area maintains conveyance with lower gradient, but you should confirm with local code and hydraulic calculations when in doubt. When laying pipe bed, the trench bottom must be uniform and free of rocks, and you should use a consistent bedding material such as compacted sand or pea gravel to support the pipe continuously along its length to avoid point loads that produce sagging or bellies. Install existing service connections and saddles so the invert elevations match the designed slope rather than cutting or filling the pipe to force a connection which produces turbulence. Place cleanouts at the property line and at changes in direction or slope greater than 20 degrees so you can clear blockages without excavating the lateral. When joining materials, follow manufacturer recommendations and use proper socketing, gasketed couplings, or restrained joints to maintain alignment and slope through the connection. Finally, measure slope with a level and tape for short runs and with string and grade stakes or a laser level for long runs, and document invert elevations as built for future maintenance. Common problems include sags and bellies that collect solids and cause recurring blockages and odors, which are prevented by uniform bedding and verifying support under the pipe before backfill. Another frequent issue is overly steep slopes that cause water to run ahead of solids and create accumulation, which you avoid by targeting the recommended 1/4 inch per foot for 3 and 4 inch pipes and checking flow with water tests before covering. Third is inadequate access for maintenance, because cleanouts are omitted or poorly located, which you correct by installing cleanouts at the property line, changes in direction, and at reasonably spaced intervals so snaking or jetting can reach clogs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who commonly install and inspect sewer laterals, and it helps contractors find work by listing their services and project experience. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical tips, ask questions, and post photos related to lateral slope, bedding, cleanouts, and repair strategies.